per ogni commission era Indian embassy वालों को कितना अपना सारे OCI नंबर चेक कीजिए Det får det väl vara så.
Flight 140 for Stockholm, Arlanda, 816.
Ladies and gentlemen, in about 10 to 15 minutes, we'll be ready to welcome you on board of your Lufthansa Stallions flight LH A321 Frankfurt to make boarding easy.
We are now ready for priority boarding. You welcome passengers in boarding room 1, 2, and PR.
Oj, vad mycket snö. Jag måste sätta den.
Konnten hier in Gothenburg bleiben. Ladies and gentlemen, may I remind you once again, in the jetty was found a jacket. Somebody of you lost a jacket in the jetway. So if one of you is missing this jacket, please pick it up, otherwise for security reasons, it's... Cabin crew, all doors in flight.
Wir müssen jetzt allerdings das Flugzeug noch enteisen, das heißt den Schnee entfernen, der sich... Danach haben wir auch noch eine zugewiesene Startzeit von der Flugverkehr. Captain, name of the entire crew, very warm welcome aboard our Lufthansa service to Frankfurt. Well, our preparations are finished. Nevertheless, we have to de-ice the aircraft now here on our park position due to the snow that has built up on the aircraft during the night. This will take about 10 to 15 minutes, and also thereafter we have to wait for another approximately 30 minutes before we will receive our startup clearance. This is due to a calculated departure time from air traffic control. We hope, of course, for an improvement. I will keep you updated on the situation. Until then, I hope you feel on board, and thank you for your patience.
Switched off and stowed in your hand luggage.
Kunde
innerhalb der nächsten 5 Minuten wir unsere Anlassfreigabe erhalten werden und unseren Flug beginnen können. Es gibt dann von unterwegs noch ein paar weitere Informationen bezüglich der genauen Ankunftszeit des Wetters in Frankfurt. Ja, wir bedauern. Well, dear passengers, unfortunately there was no improvement on our departure time, so we presently expect our startup clearance within the next 5 minutes. Of course, we try our best to bring you as fast as possible to Frankfurt today. Well, we regret this delayed departure, hope it does not cause you too many inconveniences, and wish you anyway now a pleasant flight.
Als letzte Vorbereitung dann auf den Start möchten wir Sie bitten, die Rückenlehnen Ihrer Sitze senkrecht zu stellen, die Tische hochzuklappen und die Jalousien an den Fenstern bitte komplett zu öffnen. Herzlichen Dank. Well, ladies and gentlemen, we just started towards runway. Please kindly make sure that your hand luggage is now stored safely and does not block an aisle on emergency exit. Laptops must be switched off and stored in your hand luggage. Please fasten your seatbelts now, making sure that they are pulled tight, and please make certain that your mobile phones and all other devices with transmission functionality is switched to flight mode or switched off completely. And as well as preparation for Meine Damen und Herren, zum Start werden wir das Kabinenlicht abdunkeln. Eine persönliche Leselampe befindet sich über Ihrem Sitz. Ladies and gentlemen, for takeoff we're gonna dim the cabin light. A personal reading light is above your seat. zu rauchen beginnen. Ladies and gentlemen, as turbulence may occur unexpectedly at any time, you're required to fasten your seatbelt whenever seated. This also applies when the fasten seatbelt signs are turned off and is in the interest of your very own safety. If you open overhead bin during the flight, please make sure that items cannot fall out. Ladies and gentlemen, for our passengers with connecting flights, our colleagues at Frankfurt Airport are monitoring our approach closely and will rebook you if your connecting time is no longer sufficient. You will receive information from Lufthansa via the contact details that you... Cabin crew, please prepare for landing.
Frankfurt start.
Herzlich willkommen in Frankfurt, meine Damen und Herren. Bitte bleiben Sie jetzt noch so lange angeschnallt sitzen, bis die Anschnallzeichen über Ihnen ausgeschaltet werden. Flugkapitän Christoph Stadler, wir haben unser Bestes getan und wir hoffen, dass Ihnen dadurch nicht allzu große Unannehmlichkeiten entstehen. Nichtsdestotrotz war es schön gewesen, Sie heute hier an Bord gehabt zu haben. Und wir hoffen, dass zumindest dieser Flug Ihnen ein wenig gefallen hat mit uns und dass wir Sie recht bald wieder an Bord eines Flugzeuges Main-Gebiet oder eben eine angenehme und vor allem sichere Weiterreise. Welcome to Frankfurt, ladies and gentlemen. Please stay seated with your seatbelts fastened until seatbelt signs above your head have been switched off. Flight Captain Christoph Stadler and his crew like to say goodbye to you now. We honestly regret the delayed arrival here today in Frankfurt. But we did our best and we hope it doesn't cause you too many inconvenience. I wish you a nice remaining day here in Frankfurt or in the Rhine-Main area or a safe and pleasant onward journey. If you have an onward flight, please check the Lufthansa app already now for any changes or have a look at the screens in the terminal building. However, thank you very much for choosing Lufthansa and Star Alliance for your journey today. Bye bye and auf Wiedersehen. Und ebenso für London Heathrow, Flug Nummer 904.
Liebe Fluggäste, herzlich willkommen am Frankfurter Flughafen. In wenigen Minuten kommen wir am Terminal 1 an. Um Ihr Gepäck entgegenzunehmen, folgen Sie bitte den Hinweisschildern zur Gepäckausgabe. Wenn Sie einen Lufthansa-Anschlussflug gebucht und Ihre Bordkarte noch nicht erhalten haben, haben Sie Ihre Bordkarte